Welcome everyone to this amazing session. Super excited to have you here. If you haven't done so already, just give me a quick heads up in the chat so we know, or in the question box, so we know that you can hear my voice and that you can see the screen. We got Atul here, we got Dr. Amit here. I see Ken is here, Pete from Sheffield. Good to have you, Pete. One of my favorite attendees. Carlos here, Marcel, and again, Pete, good to have you here, loud and clear. Lisa, there's no chat, only yeah, so wherever you can type, just use that to press enter and I can see everything you're saying. I know GoToWebinar disables the chat every now and then, so if you can type and press enter, just make sure you see Bradley, David, Jason, Ryan, Dean. Perfect. So I guess we're all good. We got something really special today. Really special. This is going to be a very interesting training because at the start of 2026 and the end of 2025, there's been some massive changes, algorithmic changes that a lot of people are not aware about. And those that are, they'll be able to massively capitalize, monetize on Instagram using a very specific AI. So we're going to talk all about that. As you can see on the screen, this brand new AI builds and monetizes wildly profitable Instagram channels from absolute scratch, allowing you to get views and followers. Now, I've said this a million times before, and it's no big secret that 82% of purchase decisions come from video. Video is the highest consumed type of content right now. You can see right here, 82% of consumers have bought a product or service due to watching a video. Now, answer the following question, because here's where it gets interesting. Where, speaking of video, where does the majority globally spend their time watching videos? Is it A, mostly on their mobile phones throughout the day, or B, people stay generally all day behind their laptop screen or inside all day on their laptop? Where do you think most videos get consumed? Give me A or B, or a mobile phone or laptop. There we go. I see A, mobile phones. Lots of A's. You are all 100% correct. It is, in fact, A. Every day, nonstop, billions of watch time goes through the phone, um, far exceeding any other screen, such as a laptop or even a TV screen. At any given moment, at the bus stop, at any inconvenience, people pull out their phone and just watch some kind of a video. So this is clearly the winner. Now, there are four, speaking of mobile, big mobile first video platforms right now. You have Instagram Reels, you have Instagram or YouTube Shorts. This should be YouTube Shorts. You have TikTok Reels, and you have Facebook Reels, right? These are the core places where people consume their video content. Now, here's what most people don't know. And that's why it's so great that you decided to show up here live today, because most people aren't even aware of what I'm about to show you next. At the end of 2025, these platforms, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, have been through a massive comparison chart. They've been testing reach per video over the past year, engagement stats, user activity, growth rate per account, whether you're starting from a new account, established accounts, and the massive winner has become Instagram. Strangely enough, I always thought it was TikTok. I thought Facebook every now and then, YouTube, but specifically as of 2025, 2026, Instagram is leading, if not a dominant social media platform for reach, boosting 3 billion monthly active users. And you can see right here, users are reporting 58 times more likely to engage with content than Instagram compared to Facebook. And even here, Instagram is regarded as one of the most lucrative platforms, with 65% of creators naming it as such, outperforming competitors like TikTok. So at the end of the 2025 and the entire recent social media era, Instagram has taken the crown. Now, here's the thing. Most people struggle to get results on Instagram, right? Regardless of it being one of the best platforms to get reach, it is not as easy as it sounds. Let me know if this sounds familiar. I call these the 3 silent struggles that almost nobody talks about. First of all, a lot of times you'll notice you either tried uploading videos, maybe you already have an Instagram account, or you tried it before and you barely get any traction. Let me know if this sounds familiar, or you just can't seem to get a steady stream of followers. You maybe have a few followers, people, acquaintances, but it really stops there. There's no fresh traffic coming in. And then last but not least, it feels like you tried it all. You used all the video tools that are out. You've uploaded as many videos as you can. I mean, what else can you do? Let me know if this sounds familiar, right? Because this is a lot of what I used to struggle with personally. And this is something we really took with both hands to figure out, and the results are phenomenal. So I see lots of people saying, yes, I can relate to that. Exactly. Now, what if I told you that because of the latest advances in AI technology, people are now making a full-time income by posting videos on Instagram using AI in a very specific manner that will showcase in today's training. Now, I just quickly want to ask the question, if you had AI get thousands of people to consume your content every hour, do you see yourself owning wildly profitable Instagram pages? If you had an AI that can do that for you, get thousands of people to consume your content, do you see yourself owning wildly profitable Instagram pages? Give me a yes in the chat box if you do, because if you said yes, you came to the right place. The people that take action today, you will see guaranteed sales flowing in from Instagram, even if you're a beginner. We're going to prove it to you. We got some insane case studies, but we also got a lot of data and proof, which is key to make it work. And this will allow you to grow your channel at an incredibly fast pace. So if you grab this today, you will own a unique solution that generates high retention Instagram videos, specifically Instagram. Because let's face it, once again, there are tons of video tools out there that, create just video for the sake of creating it. And those are videos you can upload on any social media platform. But Instagram is a beast of its own, and it requires a specific algorithmic type video that will align with its viewers. And that's exactly what you'll have access to. You'll be able to not only create those videos, but auto rank them to #1 on Instagram, which is the key, the explore page they call it, which is the key to get tons of reach and followers. Furthermore, it works even if you're a complete beginner. You'll generate attention from day one, and it requires 0 to no tech skills. Even if you've never used Instagram before, this will completely work for you. Quite frankly, after this special live training, you'll be a money-making expert getting paid daily from Instagram. You can see right here on one of our accounts, AI videos 4K. You can look this one up. Only 4 videos, already at 27.9K followers, right? The videos you'll be creating are so in tune with the algorithm. We're going to explain exactly why that is and how that works. And the best part is, without having any video marketing experience, without having to show your face, and without needing any editing skills. So as per usual, what you're about to witness here isn't just more info and theory. We're actually going to show you how to transform and, quite frankly, make a ton of money using Instagram starting today. So comment yes if you're going to stay until the end to see how this works. And if people that comment yes, you'll be able to get an attendance bonus package. But like I said, you do have to comment yes in the chat box if you're here, if you're excited, because that's what we're going to talk about. And just so you know, you're in great hands here. I'm with none other than the man that meets the legends behind this, both Dr. Amit Parikh and engineer Atul Parikh. Like I always say, some of the smartest entrepreneurs, I mean, they're doctors and engineers, quite frankly, some of the smartest entrepreneurs I've ever gotten to meet. And not only that, they've changed lives pretty much every single day. They have over 94 customer satisfaction rate, which is not easy in this industry. And they're absolutely taking things to a whole new level. So let's dive into the 3 secrets. I see lots of people commenting yes. So that is great. Carlos saying, I love their products. I see Bradley, John, Dane, Ken, Felix, Stacy, Jason, Darrell. Amazing. Dean, I see you as well. Awesome. Now, with that being said, first of all, what we're going to cover is the entire Instagram income engine. I'm going to show you why Instagram will pay absolute beginners. You cannot miss out on this. And I'll talk more about this in a second, but this doesn't happen quite often. Every now and then, algorithmic change occurs that levels the playing field for, newer accounts or brand new accounts to catch up to all the more established accounts. And that's what we're living in right now. We're going to show you how you will get paid to upload in 2026 and how you can get monetized using a brand new auto Instagram AI. Furthermore, I'm going to show you how to fast track this and take it to a whole new level, call it the 4-figure fast track, to effortlessly generate 4 figures within the next 72 hours without having to even sell or persuade anyone. And then last but not least, instant daily views, because once you have access to the Instagram engine, you can turn it on today right after this webinar and start seeing results. And we've proven it, and we're going to show you how it works and why it works. So I hope you're excited. See, lots of people are. So without further ado, let's dive into secret number 1, the Instagram income engine, because there's some crucial things that you need to be aware about that so many people do not know. In 2026, there has been a massive change online. This person you see on the screen right here is the head of Instagram, the man who runs Instagram. His name is Adam Mosseri. You can see right here, father of 3 boys, supporter of Threads, and head of Instagram right there. This is the product head. He's in charge of the algorithms. He's in charge of the latest features. This is the man that runs the show. Now, why is this important to know? He very recently introduced brand new changes that can make anyone successful on Instagram if you are aware about them. Here in December 2025, so last month or late December and early 2026, Instagram implemented major user-facing updates to its interest-based algorithm. Now, what does this specifically mean? This means from the 140 billion daily views that Instagram gets, which is a ton, 140 billion daily views, you can now tap into that even if you have 0 followers, meaning Instagram's reach is now completely driven by algorithmic topic-based recommendations rather than follower count. So what this means, this allows accounts with 0 followers or little to none, or just 0 as it says, to go viral by leveraging high value reels, meaning you can go on Instagram right now, have 0 followers, have a barely any content on there, and you have as much potential as an account that has 1 million followers. Let me know if this makes sense. Because of this, we live in the greatest time right now, because this algorithmic change allows you to simply create mesmerizing AI Instagram videos, publish it, and let the algorithm place it in front of the right viewer because it has all the data, knows who to show what, and then you can get paid by Instagram for generating these views. Let me know if this makes sense. Let's see. You see lots of yeses coming in. Now, if you had access to what we have for you today, Instagram will actually pay you to upload videos. You can see right here, I just noticed I'm now getting paid on IG. It's only $550, just started, but hey, I'm getting somewhere. You can see here, Reels Play, $107, $102 for Reels Play, and another $100.66 for Reels Play. And even you'll get notifications in your account saying, hey, earn up to 5,000 in bonuses from sharing your Reels. So why are they doing this, and how does this work? And this all has to do with the triple win model, or the win-win-win model. And essentially, it's 3 parties. You have the social media platform, which is Instagram. You have brand advertisers and media buyers. These are the people that buy ad space. This can be companies, this can be other entrepreneurs, can be local businesses. And you have the creators, which is us, who are going to create amazing AI content specifically designed for Instagram. Now, all these are combined through the win-win-win model, meaning the brand advertisers, the media buyers, they pay Instagram for ad space. Now, we generate the viewers for that ad space. So we create the videos to generate the views. When we generate the views for Instagram, Instagram distributes those views to the media buyers so they get their eyeballs for their money's worth. In return, we get paid as the creator. So Instagram pays the creator, and then they just place automated advertisements in between our videos. We don't have to do anything, and we just keep creating more video. And this is the win-win-win model. And because of this, small pages are making as much as $5K a month using this easy win-win-win money-making model. You can literally, an account like Yarlicious, which is completely AI, mind you, already up to 70.5K followers, creating mesmerizing AI Instagram videos, Just publish and let the algorithm place it in front of the right person. You get paid by Instagram. Now, if we do the math on this, I'm going to show you how this works and the engine we use for this. Let's say you post just 5 videos per day. That's 150 videos per month. That's how fast it can go. Now, in 2 months, that's already 300 videos. And even if each video only gets 100 views, that's 30,000 views, which will get you paid. Now, with the evolution of AI today, you can create the most mesmerizing videos in the click of a button, because AI video consumption right now is skyrocketing. But let's be honest and transparent. The problem is, and let me know in the chat box if you agree, it's cutting through the noise and making Instagram recommend your videos to tons of people daily over others. Now, this is where most people kind of struggle, right? Even though Instagram is a great platform, even though you can now reach tons of people, even if you have 0 followers, which is an insane algorithmic update, leveling the playing field, and it's kind of the great equalizer, allowing you to right now tap into a ton of leads. Before AI, you would need to have tons of patience, expertise, and money to try and rank your videos to the top of Instagram. I'm going to give you a brief of what that would look like, because there are, once again, lots of video tools, but none of them are specifically aligned for Instagram algorithm. You need scroll stopping triggers, audience pain mapping, emotional hook selections, competitor pattern scans, content pillar matrix, differentiation angles, repeatable format logic, first second motions, really important, immediate text overlays, hook first framing, rapid jump cuts. I mean, you need to keep so many things into account, which the algorithm of Instagram favors. And that's when it hit me. That's when it hit us. That's when it hit Dr. Me. That's when it hit Atul. There are all these video tools out there, but none of them are designed and built around Instagram specifically, because Instagram is a beast of its own. Yes, you can upload any video and hope for the best, or you can have something that is directly in line with what the algorithm expects of you. So we noticed there's no one AI built to align specifically with the IG algorithm. You either need tons of script writing AI, voiceover AIs, image generative AIs, video generative AI, much more to really get that going. And that will cost you over $850 a month just on AI credits. To create really good Instagram videos, it requires a ton of different subscriptions from a ton of different platforms, which will run up a lot. And the worst of all is, even if you create a really good video, none of them help you to create and rank the video specifically on Instagram. Get it in front of the right person, guaranteed. So here's what we did. We trained a state-of-the-art AI model on the most profitable and highest ranked Instagram pages online right now. Now, to the point, it can rapidly create any video and take it to the first page of Instagram to get views. Just like this page right here, right now, up to 402,000 followers, and all the videos are strictly AI. Now, let me ask you a question, because this is where it gets fun. What if you had access to this power? What if we equip you with your very own personal Instagram AI that makes sure your videos get leads with buyer's intent 24/7? If you have that, something that is directly in tune with the algorithmic updates of Instagram, allowing you to tap into it, run it, and watch it skyrocket your account while you're sleeping, do you see yourself owning a faceless Instagram channel that knows how to get views daily? Let me know in the chat box, because those of you that say yes, pay a very close attention, because that's exactly what we're going to show you. Insta Engine AI is the first dialed in, most up-to-date, because the changes of Instagram just gone in at the end of 2025, early 2026, which is right now, and we'll get you thousands, as proven, thousands of buyer leads from Instagram in record time. Now, if you want to see this, comment "I want this" in the chat box right now. Comment "I want this," and we're going to show you the power of this firsthand. Let's see. Yes, please. I so want this. I see Felix, Carlos, Ken, Marcel, David, Summer, Finette, Stacy, Jason, Chandra, Eb. Amazing. All right. Without further ado, Alex, I see you. Let's go ahead, Kim, and have an inside look on the power of Insta Engine AI, one of its first Instagram algorithm specific video creators, unlike any other out there.
Hey there. Welcome to Insta Engine AI. This is where your ideas turn into high-performing Instagram and YouTube content, all from one simple platform. No complicated tools, no messy workflow, just one powerful engine built for creators, marketers, and agencies. Now let's jump inside. This is your main dashboard, your complete control panel. At the top, you get a quick overview of your activity. Total avatars created, total videos created, total YouTube posts, total Instagram posts. From here, you can instantly track everything you've created and published. Content creation and publishing section. Just below, you'll see your main action area, create video, Instagram publisher, YouTube publisher, templates. From here, you can create new videos. Scroll down below to explore all of your recent creations. Here, you can revisit, manage, and get inspired by everything you've made. Side navigation menu. On the side menu, you'll find all the powerful tools neatly organized. Dashboard, create videos, automation, trend analysis, AI agent, agency, and settings. Everything is placed logically so you can move fast and stay focused. Let's create your first video. Click on Create Video, then click Create New Video. A pop-up appears with 3 options: create videos using editor, create using avatar, create using templates. Let's explore one by one. Start from scratch. Click Create Videos using editor. Now simply enter your video name, and that's it. Now you're inside the Insta Engine AI video editor. On the left side, you'll find all your creative tools in one place. From here, you can add avatars, choose templates, use AI studio tools, change backgrounds, add text and elements, and manage all your assets. Everything is neatly organized for smooth workflow. At the bottom, you'll see the timeline. This is where you arrange clips, sync voiceovers and music, and even add subtitles to your own voice. Just click AI subtitles and boom, your captions are generated instantly. And that's not all. Every element on the timeline can be animated, giving your videos a dynamic, professional look. See how simple it is? Everything is in one place and easy to adjust. Once you're done, simply save your project as a draft or export your video. That's it. Fast, simple, and powerful video creation with Insta Engine AI.
Urban edge, timeless style, bold statements, effortless confidence. Define your
Indulge in sweet delights at Sugar Rush Dessert Haven.
我是一名画家，我热爱艺术，用画笔表达内心的情感。
Hoy me gustaría recomendarte una selección de accesorios de la marca.
Next is Avatar Video. Let's move to the Avatar Video section. As soon as you click Create Avatar Video, a pop-up appears asking you to choose your avatar type. Here, you get 2 options: Create Photo Avatar or Create Video Avatar. For now, let's start with Photo Avatar. Inside your Appearance section, you get access to 1,000 plus professional photo avatars. Organized by different categories, styles, and use cases, you can simply choose an avatar that matches your brand, or upload your own photo avatar as well. Once you select your avatar, you'll land on Setup section. At the top, you can see your avatar name, so you always know which avatar you're working with. You can change easily. Just below that, this is where you write your script, or use the magic word tool to enhance your script effortlessly. Next, select your AI voice. You can choose from multiple languages and genders, or even use voice cloning for a more personal touch.
Welcome to the future, where imagination comes to life.
Welcome to the future where imagination comes to life.
Welcome to the future where imagination comes to life.
Once everything is set, simply click Generate Video. And in just a few moments, your AI photo avatar video is created automatically, ready to preview, download, or use in your content. That's how easy it is to create avatar videos.
Hey there, welcome to Insta Engine AI, a smarter way to create high-quality videos. With AI avatars, ready-to-use templates.
Hey there, welcome to Insta Engine AI, a smarter and easier way to create professional videos.
Bonjour et bienvenue. Avec Insta Engine AI, créer des vidéos professionnelles est simple.
Next, let's move to Create Video Avatar. Click on Create Video Avatar, and inside, you'll land in the Appearance section. Here, you get access to 2,000 plus professional video avatars. Realistic, high-quality avatars in video form, organized by different categories, styles, and use cases. You can simply choose an avatar that perfectly matches your brand, niche, or content style. Once you select your avatar, you're taken to the Setup section. Here, the process is exactly the same as photo avatar creation. Click Generate. And that's it. In just a few moments, your AI video avatar is live, ready to preview, download, and use in your content.
Hi, I'm Scarlett. Welcome to Insta Engine.
Namaste.
आज हम देखेंगे कि आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस कैसे आपके मार्केटिंग लक्ष्यों को प्राप्त करने में मदद कर सकता है।
The course's focus on future knowledge and innovation caught my attention. Enjoy a rich library of digital avatars and voices.
Now let's move to the template section. Here, you get access to a wide range of ready-to-use video templates, designed for different purposes and industries. At the top, you can browse templates in portrait and landscape mode in different categories like advertisement, e-commerce, learning and development, breaking news, and more. Each template is professionally designed, so you don't need to start from scratch. Simply choose a template that matches your goal. Once you select a template, you can fully customize it, change text, replace visuals, add your script, adjust colors, and update branding. Templates help you create high-quality videos faster, with zero design or editing experience. Just pick, customize, and publish. That's how easy content creation is with Insta Engine AI. Now that you've created videos using editor, avatar, and templates, all your videos are saved inside your video library. From here, you can easily preview your videos. Create videos, avatar video, and draft videos, all video in one place. Click on the three-dot menu, and you can rename your video, move it to another workspace, or delete it. Everything managed from one single place.
Struggling to track my fitness progress without accurate data was frustrating. Then I discovered the Sam.
Unleash your creativity with TikTok's massive music library.
Immerse in music with 33 dB noise, cancellation, and transparency mode for awareness.
Now let's jump to the next powerful section, automation. Click on automation, and here you'll see two options, Instagram automation and YouTube automation. Let's start with Instagram automation. Here, you get two powerful and easy-to-use options, auto post and auto reply. With auto posts, you can automatically publish your videos or reels to Instagram. First, choose your video and select the media type, post or story, depending on what you want to share. Next, enter your caption, then decide whether to publish instantly or schedule it for later. Finally, hit publish, and boom, your Instagram post is live and visible to your audience.
Then I discovered the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 with AI features. The energy score feature caught my attention.
Next is auto reply. This feature allows you to automatically respond to comments and messages on Instagram. Set it up once, and Insta Engine AI takes care of everything for you, saving time while keeping your engagement active. That's how easy and powerful Instagram auto reply is with Insta Engine AI. Next, YouTube automation. Click, and inside YouTube automation, you get three smart options, auto post, auto reply, and auto comment. First, click on auto post. Here, simply click upload new video. Now you can choose a video. Either select a video you've already created inside Insta Engine AI, or upload your own video from your computer. Once the video is selected, move to video details. First, add your video title. You can type your title manually, or use the magic wand tool. With the AI title generator, just describe your video idea, and AI will generate high-click YouTube titles for you automatically. Next is the description. If you already have a description, just paste it here. Or use the magic wand again. The AI description generator creates AI-optimized descriptions designed to boost watch time, engagement, and reach on YouTube. After that, add your tags. You can paste your own or use the AI hashtag generator. Next comes the thumbnail. You can drag and drop your own thumbnail or click create using AI. Just type your idea and AI will automatically create a scroll-stopping thumbnail for your video. Cool, right? Now move to schedule. You can publish the video instantly or schedule it for a specific date and time. You can also choose visibility, category, and other YouTube publishing options here. Finally, go to preview and publish. Here you get a final review of your video. Title, thumbnail, description, schedule, and visibility. Once everything looks good, just click publish video, and that's it. Your video is successfully published. And you even get a shareable link to post it on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Telegram, LinkedIn, and more.
Struggling to track my fitness progress without accurate data was frustrating. Then I discovered the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 with AI features. The energy score feature caught my attention instantly.
That's how YouTube Auto Post works inside Insta Engine AI. Create, optimize, schedule, and publish. All from one single dashboard. Now that your video is uploaded, click on Auto Reply. This feature helps you automatically reply to comments on your YouTube videos. First, choose the target video. Select the video where you want auto replies to work. Next, add trigger keywords. Whenever someone comments using these keywords, AI will automatically reply on your behalf. You can also enable custom reply mode if you want more control over how replies are sent. Below that, set the duration, maximum number of replies, delay between replies, and when the automation should stop. Once set, now you are jumping auto comment. Here, you can automatically post comments on your own YouTube videos. First, choose the target video. Then, add your comment text. This can be promotional, informational, or engagement focused. You can post the comment instantly, or set a delay to make it look more natural. Click save, and your comment will be posted automatically.
My fitness progress without accurate data was frustrating.
Next, click on Trend Analysis from the left sidebar. This feature helps you discover what's trending right now on Instagram in your niche and what people are actively engaging with on Reels and posts. At the top, you'll see the Enter Keyword field. Here, type any keyword related to your Instagram content or industry. For example, I've entered the keyword earning. After entering the keyword, choose whether you want to see top trending Instagram content or recent Instagram media, and then click the search button. Within seconds, the system shows you real Instagram trending data. On this screen, you can see a preview of trending Instagram posts and Reels, the caption, hashtags, likes, and comments. This helps you clearly understand which type of Instagram content is working and what Instagram users are currently interested in. If you like the hashtags, simply click on copy tags and use them directly in your Instagram posts or Reels. With trend analysis, you don't have to guess what to post on Instagram. You create Instagram content that's already trending, helping you grow faster and get better engagement. Now let's move to the AI agent section. This is where Insta Engine AI gives you ready-made AI assistants, each trained for a specific Instagram and YouTube task. At the top, you can switch between Instagram and YouTube agents depending on the platform you're working on. Now let's select one. Click on any agent. As soon as you click, you're taken to the chat screen. Here, you can simply type your requirement, BR like as IN for viral reel ideas, captions, hooks, or posting strategy. The AI agent responds instantly, giving you actionable suggestions based on platform algorithms. You can start a new conversation anytime, switch between agents, and use them again and again for different tasks. This way, instead of hiring multiple experts, you get an entire AI social media team inside Insta Engine AI. Simple, fast, powerful. Now let's move to the agency section. This is where Insta Engine AI helps you run and scale your agency business. From here, you can manage clients, manage teams, white label, DFY client proposal, templates, editable invoice template, client feedback, and many more. Everything is one place. Let's move to manage clients. From here, you can easily add and manage your clients. To add a new client, enter the required details such as name, email, user level, and select access to workspace. Once everything is filled, simply click Add, and your client will be added successfully. You can also edit or delete any client at any time, all from the same place. Next, go to Manage Team. Here you can add your team members by entering their name and email. Click Add, and your team member will be added successfully. You can easily manage, edit, or delete team members whenever needed, without leaving the page. Finally, let's move to White Label. From here, you can upload your own logo and customize the platform with your brand identity. This allows you to present the platform as your own professional product. Finally, let's move to Settings. Here you can manage your workspace, check your subscription details, connect integrations, watch tutorials, access your bonuses, and contact support whenever needed. Everything is neatly organized, so managing your Insta Engine AI account is simple and stress-free. Welcome to Insta Engine AI, where innovation meets imagination.
Wow. Who here absolutely loved what they just saw? Let me know in the chat box if you can see yourself getting tons of buyers if we gave you the most powerful and by far the most powerful auto ranking AI specifically designed for anyone, whether you're a complete newbie on Instagram. And I saw some questions about, is there training on this? First of all, guys, the AI will do everything for you. We're just showing you what it does, but it will do all the heavy lifting for you. It's designed for people that are not techie or beginners, because the AI will pretty much do everything for you. On top of that, of course, we do not only have detailed training, but we're actually are going to hold your hand and do the work for you and with you. I'm going to talk more about that later, but for now, let me know who here absolutely loved what they just saw and can see themselves getting just a proper good at least 10,000 follower Instagram account, 25. I mean, that should be doable right now, especially with the new algorithms. For you, there's nothing stopping you when you have Instagram Engine AI. And this window of opportunity, it only happens every now and again when an algorithmic change is made that allows people to step in, that allows beginners to step in and catch up for all the lost time. It equalizes the playing field. And with Insta Engine AI, you immediately shortcut that way and take the most of that and instantly have profitable accounts that you can even sell. So with that being said, let me know if you enjoyed secret number one, Instagram income engine. I see, love it without a doubt. This is a game changer. Mike, I see you. It appears, yes, awesome. Yeah, you can sell sub accounts. We're going to talk about that as well. Amazing. I see lots of good comments from Ed, Felix, Marcel, David, Lisa, Mike. I can see your chat. You're in the chat. I see. Amazing. So now I see Daniel asking also about, can this use for income from Reels? Yes, I'm actually going to talk about that now, because Insta Engine will guaranteed without fail make you a profitable Instagram channel, right? We already saw, the real payments will come in. So how does that work? There are 3 ways to generate an Instagram income, even if you're a complete beginner, right? Maybe you don't even have an Instagram account yet. This will work for you just as fine. So there are 3 ways. One is you turn on Instagram Engine AI and you start running it, and it will grow up your views. It will massively ramp up your followers, and you can sell your own products and services easily, because the videos that it will create will be aligned with the viewers. So it will go after the specific target audience that's actually interested in the content that is related to your product or service. And all you have to do there is create high quality video content. Let Insta Engine AI do that for you. Let Insta Engine AI rank it for you, and then you send people to the offer. This can be an affiliate offer, your own offer. Maybe you have white label tools or AI tools you want to sell, or marketing services you want to provide. Maybe you have a website. You can set all that up effortlessly inside Insta Engine, and the AI will do everything for you. Now, next, you can also get paid by Instagram for views. And this is something that Instagram is doubling down on. And again, all you have to do is create captivating videos with the AI, which Instagram does for you. And it creates, and I can't stress this enough, because I got to be transparent. There are lots of great video tools out there. You probably own maybe some really good video tools, right? But they create videos for the sake of creating videos. And I use them myself, and they're great, but they're not specifically designed for Instagram's algorithm. Now, Insta Engine AI will create mesmerizing videos specifically that the algorithm of Instagram loves. It ranks it on the Instagram algorithm, aligns with it, and then you get paid by Instagram for generating these views. And we even help you with this as well. We already have some absolute rock stars that started recently and are killing it. Now, on top of that, and one of my favorites is you get paid for service delivery, because you can use Insta Engine AI for yourself and for clients. I'm actually going to show you. I wasn't planning on doing so, but let's see what's out there. Let's say I want, I have Insta Engine AI and I want to help some people with their Instagram accounts, manage it, put content out there, make sure it ranks properly. Let me actually, let's go to, I'm going to pull up Upwork, for example. Anyone can do this. I'm going to just type in Instagram, not even going to do anything specific. Type in Instagram, and I want to get paid at least 500 to 1K. So I'm going to choose these, and let's see. Right, I see Instagram content creation support. Hey, I'm building a new Instagram. Look at this. I'm building a new Instagram account focused on disciplined mindset and personal development, the styles, calm, etc., etc. And well, the goal is to build reach, develop long-term authority, and eventually sell digital products. And he's willing to outsource this for $500. You can pick this up right now. And this has been in limbo for 3 weeks. Nobody picked it up. Right here, another $500. Instagram account assistant, simple daily task. I'm looking for a reliable person to help me manage an Instagram account. This is exactly what you can do with Insta Engine AI. The work is simple, repetitive, post content. She'll even provide everything. Basic daily Instagram task takes about 30 to 60 minutes per day. You can outperform and overperform and actually cash in. This is already a 1K deal when it will take you minutes to deliver, and that's boom, that's your clients right there, and you'll work with them on long term. Now I'm still just scratching the surface. You can see here I need an Instagram manager, $600. Lots of people that are looking for freelance Instagram managers, you know, that can manage their account for them. For a travel company, 600. Now for, you know, we're looking for freelance Instagram manager to support, $950 here. I mean, I haven't even touched all the jobs. Are you seeing the potential? Let me know in the chat box. Here, Instagram management. All you have to do is manage it. And for that, you can literally just put their account inside Insta Engine AI, and it will outperform their wildest expectations. And they'll be so happy with you. You can see right here, we're willing to pay $300, and people are waiting. It's 2 weeks in, and still nobody has come in and actually taken the job. Right? So I'm just showing you the amount of potential that's out there of people that just want to outsource their stuff because they don't want to log in themselves. They don't want to deal on that. They have other things to do, but they do understand the importance of having an Instagram presence. You just say, hey, I can do this for you. Boom. Give me your account. We'll lock it into Insta Engine AI, and it's done. Let me know if you see how easy that is, right? That alone, I just want 2 minutes of searching, not even, I at least saw $2,500 to $3,000 in sales that you can pick up right now because people are desperate to have someone manage their account for them. Literally just manage. You don't have to do anything crazy. Literally just manage, which means just post consistently, reply to comments, which Insta Engine AI does automatically. Just be alive, and you can completely outperform with Insta Engine AI. So let me know if that makes sense in the chat box, because everybody that picks this up, you'll be able to earn in all these ways. Whether it's, you know, you want to set up your own account, sell your own products, or you just want to, you know, get a ton of views and get paid for generating these views, or you want to, you know, manage other people's Instagram accounts. And guess what? We help you with each of these things as we'll walk you through all of them. So let me know in the chat box, can you see how getting Insta Engine AI literally and quite frankly gives you an instant access to multiple easy ways to make money now that you can rank on Instagram and manage it entirely hands-free? Let me know in the chat box. Just give me a quick yes so I know that it makes sense, because that's secret number 2. This will get you to 4 figures this week, and you saw it with your own eyes. So when I say 4-figure fast track, I'm not just writing this, you know, just for the sake of buzz and hype. I literally mean 4-figure fast track, as in people are waiting right now for you to come in and manage their account. Plus, you can grow your own account rapidly fast, especially with the new algorithmic update. So I see lots of yeses coming in. Amazing. Yes, just do it. Crystal clear, mind blown. Awesome. Now, with that being said, who here absolutely loved what they just saw and wants to know everything you're getting today as part of the webinar special deal? Because on this webinar, if you've ever been to my webinars, Dr. Meets webinars, or any webinar, quite frankly, at least the ones we do on the webinar, we do the most insane, biggest bang for your buck discount deals. And today is going to be nothing different. You're going to get a beast of a machine, something you've never had access to before, something that will give you the biggest shortcut and an instant income only on this webinar. So if you want that, let me know. I'm going to put it on the screen here. You're going to get a massive discount on the entire Insta Engine from start to finish. I'm going to break down everything you're going to get access to. If I'm going too fast, just let me know in the chat box, or if you have any questions, just ask, because the team will answer as well. But you're absolutely going to love, especially the last thing you're getting is going to blow your mind, because we just added that in, and we're only going to do that for the webinar attendees, which is going to be really fun. So stick around for what's next. You're going to get access to all these features. First of all, you'll become the next Instagram star, being able to launch viral, profitable pages in minutes, not months, right? Auto posting, auto ranking, auto reply, it's going to be all done for you. Furthermore, you have the AI Instagram trend analytics. Now, I saw someone earlier asking questions about trends. It will find trends that align with your product, with your service, with your niche and brand, and tap into that to massively accelerate reach. And this gives you, again, a competitive advantage, especially if you're doing it for others. They'll be so happy with you that you're able to do this. And again, the AI does everything for you. Here, the AI is trained on Instagram's algorithm. And this is probably the most important thing, because I said it before, and I'll say it again. There are great video tools out there. I use many of them, but none of them are completely trained on the Instagram algorithm. A lot of them are one size fits all, which is fine. But if you want to dominate Instagram, this is what you need. It will create the right captions, right hashtags, right scripts that actually convert for Instagram specifically. Now you have full auto posting and full automation scheduler, so it's hands-free and running while you sleep. So every time you wake up and open your phone, you see bigger numbers, more likes, new followers, and new leads and sales. Now, not only that, you'll have the faceless reel creation, which looks super realistic, as you can see right here. Grow your page without recording or show your face. Done for you viral content engine that figures what is going viral on Instagram as we speak for your niche. It analyzes what's working and recreates it, not just steals it, right? But recreates winning content styles. So you stay unique, but you're leveraging the fundamental things that make it go viral. On top of that, you have, and this is a big game changer, 24/7 auto reply and auto engagement feature to keep your Instagram account active and live. And this is what algorithms love. If it's up to them, you're glued to your phone 24/7 and you don't log off. Now, because of this, you can actually show your high activity level, what the algorithm will pick up on, and it will favor your account even more. Now, it doesn't stop there. You have the AI script writer for real short, punchy scripts built out for Instagram, which you can use nonstop. And you have the smart hashtag engine to additionally boost your reach as well. Now, not only that, you get over 150 done for you reel templates, ready-made formats for any niche, whether it's beauty, whether it's business, AI. It's already proven to have worked on different accounts in different ways, so we know these will get you a ton of reach. Now, furthermore, you have voice magic with 1,500 plus voices, or you can clone your own voice, and these are very human and realistic, and it will again help with your reach. Furthermore, this is one of my favorites, photo to avatar. You can turn any image into an avatar video that looks extremely real. Now, if that's not enough, you have complete branding and styling, matching every reel to your brand and look. And this is often important when you're working with clients. They have a certain brand aesthetic that you want to stick with. And AI will keep that and do everything in alignment with that. Now, furthermore, you have the built-in reel editor. If you want to edit or tweak any reels as you wish, you can, or polish them. You can also just let the AI do its thing. But if there are specifics you want to have in there, you can come into the editor, drag and drop, and you have it as perfect as you want. Now, you have interactive elements to boost engagement with call to access and emojis, as well as the unlimited version. And this is upgrade number 2, which is key, because let's face it, you do not want to be capped at the amount of growth, at the amount of videos you can make, the amount of replies you can do. I mean, that will hold you back so much. And because you're on this webinar, normally, as with any software, when you go for a higher tier, such as unlimited, there's additional credit costs, there's monthly recurrings with that, annual fees. I mean, usually the more you use something, the more you'll have to pay for it. But because you're on this webinar, you're going to unlock the unlimited without any additional fees or costs, without any recurring or monthly fees or credit top-ups. This means you'll be able to create unlimited high quality AI reels, which also can be used as UGC format, unlimited AI video creation, unlimited AI Instagram photo avatars, unlimited AI video avatars. On top of that, unlimited premium voices and voice cloning, as well as unlimited interactive video elements. You also get the ability to unlimitedly auto-rank videos on Instagram with the viral booster, and this is so powerful. If that's not enough, unlimited workspaces. If you want to work with different channels, different accounts, if you have different businesses, you have unlimited workspaces to work from. Now, on top of that, you'll be able to move or copy videos from one workspace to another workspace, an easy content duplication, and unlimited auto posting, auto commenting, and auto replying, keeping your account active at all times. And furthermore, you have unlimited titles and descriptions and unlimited thumbnails using AI, thumbnails that stand out and actually get clicks. And you have unlimited Instagram monetization options. And this is where Instagram actually starts paying you for the videos you upload. We even show you how and help you with this. On top of that, you get unlimited realistic facial expressions that actually give that human effect, and unlimited video IDs and trending topic generators, so you always have that competitive advantage there, and unlimited bandwidth storage, so you can access it from anywhere without filling up your hard drive or laptop or PC. Long story short, you have nothing to hold you back to create an Instagram account that gets a ton of reach, tens of thousands of followers, has a ton of engagement that you can then monetize, or like I said, even sell your account, because there are a lot of businesses that would love to either buy an account or pay you to post on your account for them. So before I carry on, let me know who is loving everything they're getting so far, both the premium features as well as the unlimited access. Let me know if you're loving everything you're getting so far. There you go. Love it. Love it. Sounds good. Love it all. Nice. Darrell, David, Felix, Marcel, Lisa, Chandra, Sharon, Stacy, Tony, and Kim, Ed. Not, not bad. Amazing. Amazing. Now, Kim, let me tell you, Kim Crystal, it gets even better than this, right? And you get a full walkthrough A to Z, most definitely. And I'll actually do you one better than a walkthrough, which I'll reveal shortly. So on top of the unlimited, because you're on this webinar, you're also going to unlock the AI Enterprise. Now, this is where you really turn into that studio quality, scroll stopping masterpiece creator. This is where you have more stunning video avatars. You'll be able to remove backgrounds instantly. You add a background that fits your brand. So if you want to have videos where you're in an office, or where you're, with a background of a whiteboard and such, you have far more flexibility there. Your AI can go bigger and reach more people by aligning better from both visual perspective. On top of that, you have a drop-in texts and messages that can now come in and again captivate the audience there. You can animate videos and just have those nice cinematics in there as well. I mean, this takes you to that studio level cinematic masterpiece creator with the Enterprise. So enhance your music and audio, upload any of your own logos and clips and product shots as well as you wish. Use done few templates to speed things up. Edit everything inside a smart timeline that is beginner friendly to use. Choose any video format or dimension, and you can even export the videos now in full HD with no watermark. Now, even though the Enterprise is absolutely fantastic, we know that from the traffic that you'll get from Instagram, you might want to siphon a lot of that traffic either to YouTube, or at the same time also build up a YouTube channel. So what we've done is we've plugged in a YouTube automation where you can now have a one dashboard, complete YouTube control as well. You can create faceless videos also designed for the YouTube algorithm, AI script and ID generator that never runs out of content. You can auto comment and auto reply specifically on YouTube videos without you even having to touch your keyboard. It does this on, videos that align with you, videos that will actually when people watch a video and they see your comment under that video, they're going to click to your account, and maybe your comment says, oh, I love this, I create videos on this all the time too. And now people are going to go and check out your videos. So it goes and actually gets a ton of reach. And this is on YouTube, by the way. Voice magic, photo to avatar, basically all the essentials, just like the Instagram automation, you will now unlock on YouTube as well. You can go global in 150 plus languages. AI optimizes the video from start to finish. You have a built-in video editor where you can now also create YouTube-sized videos. AI ID finder, so it actually figures out what videos to create and why it should create that. AI SEO boosters to actually have your YouTube SEO on point, custom backgrounds. On top of that, the full channel maker, so it comes up with the name, the brand, the bio, everything to keep your channel at the highest converting presence. interactive videos and call to actions and buttons in your video. AI thumbnail creator, click-worthy designs in seconds, because the thumbnail is one of the most important things when it comes to YouTube, and the YouTube Analytics Hub, so you can track everything, as well as a multi-workspace system, so you can manage, if you want to do clients' YouTube accounts, you can also do that, or if you have different channels, you can manage them in multiple workspaces. And we even give you 100+ ready-to-go video templates for instant creation, so you can have your accounts up and running. Long story short, you will be able to dominate both on Instagram and on YouTube at your wish whenever you want. And to make it even better, so you're not glued to your laptop all the time clicking buttons, you're going to get the Instagram automation as well. Now, this is where it auto posts content for you. It literally understands, here's what's working on Instagram right now. This is your brand. This is what you do. This is the type of buyers you're looking for. This is the audience you want to reach. And it actually goes and auto posts content for you. It auto replies the comments on Instagram. It literally lives and grows and builds your Instagram account as you wish, completely autonomously. And that's like you're paying someone full-time to do that for you. And instead, you have an AI that's growing your account. It schedules and auto posts videos on YouTube as well. It engages audiences with YouTube and auto comments. It's 24/7 sales system that runs your Instagram business automatically day and night. So you don't even have to log into Insta Engine. It knows exactly what it needs to do, and it self-adapts. It learns based on the data. If a video does great, it knows it should create more of that. Now, AI SEO optimizer to improve your rankings, AI growth automation, so automates the posting, the scheduling, the traffic, and the sales, unlimited account scaling. You have a smart analytics dashboard, so you can track your subscribers, views, and revenue in real time. You have an organic traffic booster to get free real Instagram views and engagement. And you have a monetization booster showing you how to make more money from your Instagram account, and ready-to-use trending templates for Instagram engagement. Plus, you can target any niche traffic. Whether you're a beauty brand, a business brand, an online brand, offline brand, you will reach the right person without fail. And you have the passive income mode where you set it up once and it will earn daily for you without any extra effort. Now, if that's not enough, you're also going to get the viral traffic engine to boost your views and subscribers using AI-powered algorithms, and the social sharing engine, so you can share platforms or videos across different platforms to see how they perform there as well. Now, these things, including the HC system and the smart engagement bots, are by far phenomenal. And there's no doubt in my mind that anyone, no doubt, we've already proven this on multiple accounts. I'm talking the AI Video 4K account, I'm talking the Okundele account, all completely AI, all over 400,000 followers from scratch. Now, here's the beauty that you've been waiting for, the thing that I've been alluding to, this special where a lot of people ask, is there training on this? Is there this and that? Here's where it gets amazing. Because if you thought this was absolutely phenomenal, you're about to blow your socks off, right? Stay close to your seat, because this is going to knock you over. Only on this webinar, right? And this by far should cost at least $5,000 to set up. Only on this webinar, you're going to get access to what we call the Insta Engine AI done for you. Now, let me tell you what this includes. You're going to get a complete hands-free setup. Our experts handle everything from start to finish. Your account integration, your video automation, you save the time, you skip the stress, you focus only on the profit. You're completely will get a white glove service. On top of that, we create fully personalized engine setups trained with your niche, your tone, your branding, and produce viral videos that feel 100% human. We do that for you. Not only that, you're going to get your brand voice and personality fully integrated. So every video, voice, and caption is tuned to your brand's personality, giving you a consistent and professional edge on every upload. Our team trains your AI with your frequently asked questions. And if you don't have any, maybe you don't even have a product to sell yet, we actually take care of that. Your offers and sales and content, ensuring your videos communicate your brand message perfectly. Again, this is done for you. How amazing is that? Let me know in the chat box. There are not many tools where you get it and actually the team steps in and does everything for you. Furthermore, seamless deployment. You instantly publish across Instagram channels, your funnels, your client workspaces. There's no complex setup, no coding. It's immediately ready to profit. The posting, the scheduling, the ranking, and the comment replies are all fully automated to keep your Instagram growth running 24/7. At any point in day, any given time, your Instagram account is growing. While you're having a chat with a friend, while you're on the phone, while you're sleeping, your account is in the background growing and growing and growing. It's like a stock you invest in, it just keeps going up on the back of it. And every night you just check how it's going and you see a bigger number than the day before or even the hour before. Now let me know who here thinks this is absolutely phenomenal. And to make sure you get one-on-one expert support, not some group call, one-on-one. You get direct access to your dedicated account manager with personalized video or audio support, guiding you through every step, showing you here's what we've set up, here's your account, here's how we activated, here's what we integrated, and we answer all your questions so you have complete clarity. And that's why I kept saying, I saw people asking, is there any training, is there any hand holding? We decided to take it to a whole new level. And I think this deserves, feel free to do it if you want, you don't have to, but I think this deserves a somewhat of a shout out, or at least give flowers to Dr. Mead and the team, and because this is where they set themselves apart. Let's face it, there are lots of tools out there, but the moment you buy them, you're left to hang dry. You'll have to figure it out. Now, Dr. Mead, the reason they have 94% customer satisfaction rate is because they go the extra mile. That's what you're getting here. So at least for me, the entire team, Dr. Mead and obviously Engineer Tool, you guys are phenomenal for doing the complete done for you setup plus one-on-one expert support. I mean, that is just so good because that allows anyone to guaranteed succeed with this. So I hope you appreciate that. Because this is only for the people on the webinar. It will be unsustainable to do it for people outside the webinar as well. And that's why I'm so happy you're here. Now, to top it all off, last but not least, you're going to get the agency access. Earlier saw some people asking about white label. This is where you can completely white label your Instagram account and even sell this account as a service. You can open up accounts for businesses and tell them, hey, try this out. If you like it, it's only $50 a month, it's only $100 a month, $150 a month, and they can use it to run their account on autopilot. And you can even get paid a monthly fee to manage it for them. Now you can serve unlimited clients. You just add their email, they'll get their own personalized account. It will show your logo inside, so it's like your own software. You'll be able to launch your own six-figure white label agency offering custom Instagram automation, which is a super hot service because everybody wants to grow on Instagram. You'll be able to add unlimited team members, complete customized business management, and on this webinar, it wouldn't be as special if we didn't throw in some fast action bonuses where we're actually going to do a live training. I'm going to do that personally. I always love doing those. That's where we always create results on the spot. We only do this for the first 1,000 buyers. After that, it's 1,000 to get a ticket. This is a live training where we're going to show you the entire roadmap from going to 0 to 10K a month with Insta Engine AI specifically. You get a step-by-step training to launch your Instagram automation income system from scratch, beginner-friendly walkthrough. And again, this is live. You're going to get a masterclass, build a six-figure Instagram automation portfolio if you want to have different accounts, different niches, and our growth and monetization booster and blueprint. So all of this is included in your account. I'm going to recap it real quick because it is a lot. You're going to get access to the Insta Engine special access, the unlimited upgrade, as well as the enterprise level, which gives you that studio quality. On top of that, the entire YouTube automation unlocked, the full automation of Instagram, and my all-time favorite, and again, a big shout out to the entire team for setting up the done for you for the people that grabbed this on the webinar, the Insta agency upgrade where you can white label and sell accounts, and you get the fast action bonuses. Now guys, what you're getting here is phenomenal, right? People will charge you $15,000 for this hands down, and they won't even blink an eye, simply because, I mean, you're getting the world. You're literally getting the world. There are people so much struggling on Instagram, and here you are getting everything on a silver platter. And for that very reason, we have no problem after this webinar, and I'm talking immediately after this webinar, to charge $997 at the very least annually, simply because, I mean, look at this. It's the done for you alone, where you get complete white glove service, one-on-one. your brand built out, your account built out, your integrations made, your completely auto reply, auto tracking, auto growth all set up, and a system that is so in tune with Instagram. There's no other system like it. I mean, 997 is going to be the annual price, and people are already standing in line to grab that. However, you were smart enough to show up to the webinar, and that's such an amazing decision. Now we figured to drop it down by half, which, let's be honest, this is already an insane deal for what you're getting, because having an Instagram account with just 25,000 followers already is more than worth this price point. And that's exactly what you'll get. But even this, we're not going to do, which already baffles me, because again, it's like you're getting a 7-figure expert team to grow you Instagram accounts. I mean, you'll have to pay them top dollar, and you won't even pay 500 at this point. If you're live with us, which I believe you are, but the proof that you are, comment live if you want a special live discount that we're only going to reveal once, and we're only going to reveal it here. I see lots of people saying this is incredible, this is freaking awesome. You go, Doc. There you go. Awesome. Lots of live. I see Eb. Oh, Eb, you're gonna love this. I see Felix, Mike, Lisa, David, Sharon, Daryl, Kim, Stacy, Ken, Cynthia, Terry, Tony, David, Summer, Eb, Carlos, Ali, Peter, Alan, Danielle, Charles, Jason, Sharon, Ryan, Kim, and so many more people. Guys, we're going to just make this so wonderful. Honestly, it won't be 497. We figured to drop it down to 367, which again, $300 to just dominate Instagram is, it's crazy. It's crazy, but we're not even going to do that. To make it the ultimate deal for the webinar, we're gonna do 50 live coupons of 100, not $50. Normally they do a little $50 or $30 coupon. We're gonna take $100 off and drop it down from 367 all the way to its down low, and not even recurring. And remember, you get the unlimited. That should be recurring, but because you're on the webinar, it's got to be 267 one time only, and you're off to the races. You have the done for you included. I mean, you won't need anything else, and you're going to see the results instantly. Let me know in the chat box, comment live if you want this right now, and the team will drop the link to you, to everybody that's commenting live. Or team, can you drop it in the chat box as well? This will take you immediately to the special bundle page where you can seal the deal. But mind you, we only do this for 50 people, simply because the done for you is for our team, you know, labor intensive. They'll do a one-on-one. We've hired a big team. We've trained all of them. They all are completely specialized on Insta Engine, but we only have so much of them because they're humans and not AI. So we can really and only do this for 50 people. Comment live, and this is something you do not want to miss out on. This is a lucky break that, like I said, once in every while, when the algorithms decide to switch gears, people, beginners, and sometimes even youngsters like 16, 17, 18-year-olds manage to step in and bypass so many people that have been established on Instagram for such a long time. Why? Because the new gap in the algorithm allows new players to win. And that's what's happening right now. Adam Mosseri, the head of Instagram, opened up the floodgates and said, here's how we're going to do it. You don't need followers anymore to grow big. Anyone without followers can reach just as many people as a person that has followers. Now, we've built a dedicated Instagram engine around that very concept that you can tap into, and the best thing is it will be all set up for you. Go grab it right now. Let me know in the chat box if you're in, so I can make sure you get all the bonuses as promised and register you for the fast action bonus with the free trainings. And remember, this 267, first of all, you're going to have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So you can even try it out for 30 days, see how big your account grows. If you like it, you keep it. If not, the 267 is back into your account. So you got nothing to lose, but furthermore, you're going to have 3 ways to generate Instagram income. And if you forgot, we saw people already, as we speak, willing to pay over $500 for you to just manage their account with simple daily tasks. Now, we're going to show you where to find these people, just like I showed you just now, actually how to close those deals. And quite frankly, you're going to get paid whether you like it or not. So don't let 267 stand in the way from that easy income where you just manage other people's account effortlessly. And even if you use it for yourself, if you just post 5 videos a day, that's 150 videos per month. That's 300 videos in 2 months. And even if it just gets 100 views, that's 30,000 views. Long story short, you are about to get the biggest bang for your buck. Now, one more thing, because I see a lot of people asking for the link and going to the link and getting access. I'll actually go to the link as well to show you. This is the special page that you'll get access to. You can simply click get started or grab it now. It will go down and show you, as promised, you get the commercial, the unlimited, the enterprise, the YouTube automation, the Instagram automation, the done for you, the AC, the fast action bonus. Normally, you'd have to pay $1,366 annually. Now, with the special, it's not even going to be 367, but because you're on the webinar, no recurring, no monthly, no yearly, it's going to drop down instantly to just 267 right here, because the coupon code is already included. All you have to do is enter your email. You can either check out with card, which is right here, and it will pop up below. And remember, you can see it once again here, black on white. This product has a 30-day return policy, so you got nothing to lose, everything to gain. Plus, right here, if you want to use PayPal, you can. Now, I will tell you, some of you will be extra lucky, and I hope as many people. I don't know the exact number of how many people will be able to see this, but we have a special, which it's very limited. But you might see, so don't hold me to it. You might see this page after you check out. You might see the premium mega suite, which is only for 50 customers, 50 classy customers like you. And this is where you get some VIP access to some of the most insane apps, starting with a privacy protector for social accounts. Because I mean, imagine you've grown your Instagram account, and once you start growing, people start, paying attention. Like, hey, this account looks delicious. We want to hack it. And that's a big problem on Instagram too. People, as accounts grow bigger, people want to, take a bigger shortcut and just hack it. Now, it doesn't always work. It doesn't always happen, but you want to be protected, safe and sound. And this is also a service you can offer to others and kind of upgrade on when you sell them Instagram services. So we're going to give you a privacy protector for social account to protect your Instagram pages and activities with privacy and smart safeguards that help your automation, your data, and your account safe while you're scaling. I would highly recommend this. If you see this page, definitely grab this. You're also going to get our social bus automation toolkit, which automates all your workflows across all socials. And on top of that, the link purifier. This is a big one because, I'm going to phrase it as simple as possible. The more trustworthy a link looks, the faster someone's going to click on it. And sometimes when you promote a product or an affiliate product or anything, the link looks sketchy, right? It's a long link. Maybe it says something like, not everybody knows, for example, what JV Zoo is. And they're like, what's JV Zoo? I've never heard of that. It doesn't look like a trustworthy link, even though it is, and they won't click on it. Now, Link Purifier allows you to clean links, optimize them, and track them so you can just have beautiful, more trustworthy links on socials, which matter a lot because on social media, people can be very about clicking links if the link looks a little bit long or weird with a lot of numbers. So Link Purifier helps increasing the click-through rate. Definitely useful. Go and grab it if you see this page. Now, you get the Email Extractor Pro for social leads. This allows you to extract all your leads that you've amassed from Instagram, so you can actually build your email list. You get the Watch Together integration pack. This is actually really cool, where you can boost interaction and community engagement by sharing viewing experiences and engagement activity using being able to set up a watch hub where two people can share watching one thing together. It's really powerful. You see how it works on the inside. Now you get the Ad Block Companion Toolkit, so you can block any ads if you wish to. You get our Tool Nest Productivity Pack, which is basically our best bundle of productivity tools when we log in. So stay organized and don't get overwhelmed, because sometimes when you're online, so many things can happen, so many shiny objects, and all you have to do now is just scale your Instagram account and you'll be good. So this kind of helps you stay productive there. You get our Web Extractor for Instagram research, and this is a big game changer because this is also heavily what we use to build Insta Engine. This will allow you to extract useful data for competitor analysis, niche research, and content IDs, giving Insta Engine better inputs for smarter growth. So this is kind of the feeder for Insta Engine to keep it up to date, making it even smarter and smarter and smarter as you use it. Now, furthermore, you're going to get the premium video stock pack that have beautiful visuals. You have the AI audio stack of 100+ royalty-free tracks. You're going to get an additional VIP live training on launching a 6-figure automation agency and 10 ways to make $100 a day with Instagrams, no clients needed. And my favorite, I believe it's either number 8 or 7 That method is right now crushing it. Now, I won't reveal it just yet. You'll see it when you have this on the inside. You immediately go to either method number 7 or 8. It's one of the fastest and easiest ways. Now, furthermore, I want to show you how to close 7 Instagram automation deals in 5 days, an actual case study. And I kind of showed this on this webinar already. It's so easy because so many people want to outsource Instagram work that you can pick up and get paid for instantly. You can 10x your Instagram lead to client conversions with VIP feature number 14. And we're going to show you how to go from 0 to 100 Instagram clients step by step. And we're going to actually give this to you inside this special. Now, 3-step system to land high paying clients daily, as well as our 10K a month Instagram lead selling system. We're going to show you how you can sell Instagram leads to businesses. There's a whole different spin to it that a lot of people are not even aware about. And guess what? Everyone needs leads. And if you can get them and sell them, I mean, you're going to get paid well. On top of that, 100 proven niches for Instagram pages. If you don't know what niche to tap into, what page to create, or maybe you just want to, have an extra page on the side, or you're looking for a good niche to sell affiliate offers in, we're going to give you the most profitable, handpicked, automation-friendly Instagram niches with strong monetization potential. On top of that, you get step-by-step training, find 1,000+ Instagram buyers using Google Maps, a brand new method that nobody's aware of, that honestly, once you know how to do this, you'll be unstoppable. And last but not least, you're going to get 5-year premium Insta Engine AI support. Now, like I said, this is a massive pack of 20 VIP features, all designed to skyrocket and, just to be honest, solidify and set in stone your success. And this is only for the next 50 people. Now, no recurrings, as per usual, no annual fees, no hidden fees, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. It's everything for just a one-time 127. Absolutely worth it compared to everything you're getting here. So if you get a chance to see this, I mean, the fact of being able to get at least 1,000 Instagram buyers using Google Maps, that alone already outweighs this price point here. So if you get to see this, it's, again, first come, first serve. If you see this page, definitely log in that access, as it is a steal of a deal. Either way, the most important thing is you have access to the Insta Engine AI, because that's where it all starts. So once you're in, let me know in the chat box. I'm actually going to go ahead and have a look right now and welcome and congratulate everybody that's in. I see Marcel's in, congratulations. Ken is in, congratulations. Let's see. There we go. Daniel's in, congratulations. Amazing. I'm in. David's in, congratulations. Awesome. Now, I do want to say for Travis, you do get, and that's what we did, you do get training as well with. So Travis, if you're still with me, let's show you here with the bundle that you're getting here. You're going to get full training, and you're going to have the Insta Engine and everything. It does everything as promised, right? You're going to grow your Instagram account as proven. You have all the automation features, and come on, you even have done for you. I mean, at this point, we're just being spoiled, right? Having a team set everything up for us, that's just, I mean, there's nobody else out there doing that. Now, we've added the 20 VIP features as an optional bonus. Most of you won't even get to see that because it's a very limited deal. And that being said, it's optional. You don't need it to make Insta Engine AI work. It's just a massive discount on 20 premium features that you can get, which are separate from Insta Engine AI, but you can get it as an add-on and just get, normally you would pay thousands for that. You get that in one sweep and just amplify your success by a lot. But at least make sure you get Insta Engine AI. So that's for Travis, Andrew, just so you know there. Daniel, congratulations, you're in. Kim is in, congratulations. Awesome. Darrell, Cynthia, amazing. Awesome. Kim, super excited for you guys. You're going to absolutely crush it. And remember, let me actually go back to the slides here. Let me put up the slide deck here. Everybody that gets Insta Engine, you will have 3 ways to monetize this right from the get-go. But the best part is you'll have a full done for you of it completely being set up for you. Now, if you, at the start, which I believe a lot of you did mention, if you faced any of these issues, right, where most people struggle on Instagram because, one, you tried uploading videos, no traction, you can't get a steady stream of followers, and it feels like you've tried it all, then there is no reason you should not try this out. Grab this with both hands. you have 30 days, try it out for 30 days and watch all these problems get solved one by one. Because right now, as we speak, people are making a full-time income by posting videos on Instagram using AI, not even their own video, not even going out and film like back in the day, literally just using AI. It's different times we live in. So you'll be able to own wildly profitable Instagram pages. You'll see guaranteed sales flowing in from Instagram, even if you're a beginner. So as promised, if you grab this today, you'll have a unique solution that generates high retention Instagram videos, auto ranks them #1 on Instagram, works even if you're a complete beginner, generates attention from day one, and requires a zero tech skill. And you'll be a money-making expert getting paid daily from Instagram. So make sure you grab this before it's too late, because like I said, you're at the perfect time here. 2026 just started, and these changes by the man who runs Instagram, I can even show you, right, the actual post that he made. I'll actually put it up the screen so you know that, what we're showing you is based on, real data. Let's go Adam Seri algorithm update Instagram. He actually, recently made an announcement and a post on this. I actually put it on the screen here. You can see right here in 2025 and start of 2026, which literally in the past 2 months, not even less, Instagram CEO Adam Mosseri announced major algorithm shifts, focusing on Reels recommendations and the recommendations to drive growth. All these things that Insta Engine AI does. Now, he actually went as far as going on Instagram itself right here, going on video, addressing the public and saying, hey, literally 7 weeks ago, I'm excited to introduce your algorithm in a new way. And again, guys, this is the perfect timing. If you wait on this, if you don't do this or do this later, you'll just fall behind and play catch up again with massive competition, right? These brand new changes give you a window of opportunity to grab Insta Engine AI at the perfect time right now and absolutely dominate. Capitalize on those 140 billion daily views, or at least try it out. And compared to what you're getting today, it's an absolute steal. And as mentioned before, since the Instagram reach is now driven by algorithms, topic-based recommendations rather than follower counts, what it used to be, this allows accounts with 0 followers to go viral. Whether you don't have Instagram, 0 followers, or you're going to make an account today with Insta Engine AI, you're going to skyrocket. You see, before, it wouldn't be possible, because even if you had Insta Engine AI, you would need followers. And if you don't have followers, I mean, Insta Engine AI could do all at once, but there's no followers to see your stuff. Now, with the algorithmic change, that doesn't matter. You will reach as many people as you wish with or without followers. And because you're able to reach so many people now, you will grow a ton of followers automatically. And that's why I said we live in the greatest time right now. You passing up on this opportunity is quite frankly saying, or just acknowledging, I don't want the easy way and I don't want success. I just want to pass it by, stay on the sidelines, and miss out. That's what you're saying, because an opportunity like this won't happen again that quickly. Algorithms don't change every single day. This is literally in the past few weeks solidified, and now it's the most effortlessly way to make money on Instagram. And the kids that realize this and the people that research this, they are dominating. Create mesmerizing AI Instagram videos, publish and let the algorithm place it in front of the right viewer, and boom, and you get paid. Now, this is your last and final chance to grab this as we speak. And whether you're doing it for yourself or you want to do it for other businesses, which, if anything, you can literally, I'll go once again to Upwork here and show you how simple this is. I'll tip on Instagram, anyone can do this. And there's no reason for these people not to let you do this. I'll just do 500 to 1K. And I showed you before and I'll show it again. I mean, all these people, I need Instagram content creation support. You can provide that. Here, for a construction app, I need an Instagram manager. We're launching a construction management app. I need an Instagram manager to grow our page. You can do that. Pick that up. That's another 500. We're $1,000 right now. Let's see. I'm certainly going after the most easiest one. I need an Instagram content creator for our team page. It's another $500. That's $1,500. And again, mind you, these posts have been up for quite some time, right? Now, on top of that, Instagram account assistant, simple daily tasks, another 500. We're at 2K right now. If you're telling me you're going to, pass up on this because of 267, knowing that in the last minute I showed you $2,000 that's up for grabs, literally up for grabs, you'll be able to outperform, help them in ways others can't, make them over deliver, quite frankly. And it just takes you 267 to try it out for 30 days. I mean, I don't know what else to say. And that's why I don't want to push this. I don't want to hard sell this. I just want to show you I'm excited about this opportunity because I know what's waiting for you on the inside. And I know the amount of effort, blood, sweat, and tears the team has put into this, both Dr. Amit Parikh and engineer Amit Parikh. And, if that's not enough, they've gone all in with the done for you. And that just, not taking that is like, what else do you want them to do? How much more do they need to deliver? Do they need to come to your house and manually, click the buttons? And there's only so much they can do. And this is, if you ask me, the absolute maximum of what they can deliver. So if you're not taking this, my only question is, well, what else do you want? Because I can promise you, it will not get easier than this. So with that being said, that's just a hot take from my end. I appreciate you and love you either way. I hope you grab this because we're about to wrap this up, and I know we're only down to the last few spots. So if you're still on the fence, like I said, it doesn't get better than this. This is the ultimatum. If you've tried to grow on Instagram, and you've been looking for a way and it hasn't worked, this is the creme de la creme to get it done. You have an engine that is in tune with the Instagram algorithm. You have unlimited access without top-up credits, without monthly fees, without having to pay over and over again. You have enterprise level for studio cinematic quality. You have even automation for YouTube. You have an automation for Instagram so that it can auto schedule and post without you being there. You have a team that will set up everything for you, and you have white label access to sell accounts to others, to friends, to family, to anyone else that wants to grow on Instagram. If you ask me, if there's anything else they could have provided, they would have, but this is the best. And then for just 267, I can't even believe it myself. So with that being said, congratulations to the people that just got in. Super excited. You have an unlimited reseller license. For those of you asking how many reseller licenses, you have unlimited reseller licenses. So you can literally resell this. And I'm actually going to show you how to resell this super easily. I use a method called the feedback accounts, where I literally distribute these accounts for free, asking for feedback, saying, hey, I noticed you're on Instagram. We have an Instagram Engine AI that we want to, get feedback on. I'd love to create you an account and get some honest feedback. Is that okay? And I share this with beginning accounts, people that are clearly struggling on Instagram. They start using it for a couple of days. They're like, hey, I love this. How much do you charge for this? And we say, oh, thank you so much for your feedback. It's only X, Y, or Z per month. Or here's what we usually say. Hey, since you gave us such great feedback, we're willing to make an amazing deal and only charge X amount per month. Now, doing the feedback method allows you to sell without selling, because you're just giving away free accounts for feedback, and everybody that gives positive feedback, you give them a good deal to keep their account. Now, this can quickly get you to at least 4 to 5 figures a month, and this is the stuff we'll share with you on the inside as soon as you have Insta Engine AI. Long story short, you got everything you need to absolutely crush it. Awesome. LeVar, what I'm going to do, LeVar, drop your email for me in the chat. I'm going to make sure, personally, first things first, everything you ask, the team is going to go ahead and respond to. So for LeVar, drop your email. We're going to get that taken care of. And furthermore, I'd love to go ahead and welcome you into Insta Engine AI and give you the best experience that you actually deserve. Awesome. So the timer is running out here, guys. I'm super excited for you, that for those of you that are grabbing this at such an insane deal. Again, all thanks goes to Dr. Mead and Jeremy. I can't take credits for this. They're the masterminds behind this. They've spent also so much money, so much time, so much energy, and you're just going to be our best ambassadors. You're going to be one of our biggest success stories. But everyone after this is going to pay at least $997 annual and up, and that's even without some of the additional things. If you add things to it, it will be $1,366 at the very least. So you're in absolute great position grabbing this right here, right now, and that's why I'm super excited for people that are taking action on this. If you're still on the fence, ask any questions, because I would hate for you to miss out. And we're about to close this down, meaning this is your last chance. I'll ask the team, can you drop the link in the chat one last and final time, and then we're going to wrap it up. And again, guys, massive congratulations to everyone that is picking this up. You are in for a treat, because you'll be able to dominate one of the platforms that will give you so much growth, so much followers, so much clout, status, access. It can even open doors for you, put you in different rooms, connect you with different people once they see, oh, you've quite the following on Instagram. Now, it's worth at least trying this out for 30 days. But you'll see it on the inside. We'll be on the inside doing an amazing training as well, and I can't wait for you. I see Felix saying you guys are awesome. Sharon, congratulations to you as well. Yeah, for sure, LeVar. I mean, of course. So team, can you pick up LeVar's email right there and go ahead and look him up and answer any question that he might have? I promised it, so make sure to do that. Don't make me look bad. So team, pick up LeVar's message right there. And LeVar, let me know if you got access to Insta Engine AI. Looking forward to see you on the inside there as well. Awesome, awesome, awesome. With the Mega Suite, Alan, not sure if you got the Mega Suite. So I'll actually, oh no, you do have access to cross-platform, so you can post all the content on other platforms as well. But know that Insta Engine is specifically designed to grow on the Instagram algorithm. I mean, don't be surprised if your videos also take off on TikTok or on YouTube Shorts, because it's going to create really good videos. But those algorithms might use a little bit of different mechanism based on what they rank and what they choose to go viral. So yes, you can post on other platforms as you wish, and it can automatically in one click share to all platforms, so you don't even have to manually do that. But you'll see great results on Instagram, because there's no specific tool that has been designed for the Instagram algorithm, at least from what we've seen. We've seen a lot of social media tools that just do a little bit of everything, which reminds me of the quote from Bruce Lee, where he said, "I rather master one kick 1,000 times than 1,000 different kicks once." And that's kind of that, right? Those overall all-in-one social media tools, they mastered 1,000 different kicks once. They just do everything quite okay. But Insta Engine mastered one kick, which is in this case Instagram, 1,000 times. It knows it inside out, and that's kind of what you're getting here. So I hope that makes sense. There we go, lots of yeses coming in. Awesome, awesome. So I'm gonna have a quick check with the team here on how we're looking. Awesome, perfect. So the team says this is your last chance to grab this. So I'm just a messenger here. That means, guys, this is in fact the last chance to grab this. I'll show the page one last time. You go here to the bundle. You see here, just click on grab it now. Takes you down here, and I'll just have to show this again, guys, because this is just the best thing. You get the done for you hands-free setup, custom AI video engine completely set up. You get brand voice of personality fully integrated, brand content training integrated, as well as seamless deployment or ready to profit automation. You get one-on-one expert support and a commercialized included. Guys, you're in the best hands possible. Don't let this opportunity slip away. You get 4 crazy good bonuses, and the craziest part is all of this is for just $267 plus, mind you, 30 days money back guarantee. So click on the buy now button. Team, if you can drop the link one last time, please, in the chat for those that missed it. You put in your contact email. The coupon code's already applied. You can see it's a single payment, so no annual, no 12 months, no monthly, no 30 days, no recurring. It's just one time 267, and you're ready to scale. You can either check out with credit card and enter the details here, or click PayPal and would open up a PayPal form. And then if you're still lucky enough, you might, right? And the reason I'm very careful with it, because I know how little spots are usually available of the Mega Suite, because it's it's 20 VIP features. Now, this is separate again from Insta Engine AI. It's not mandatory to grab it, but if you do get it, you're literally slamming a home run, right? Or a 3-pointer, or whatever sport, top bins, whatever sport your preference is, the best goal you can make, that's what you've done. Privacy protector for social accounts, social bus automation toolkit, link purifier, email extractor, watch together integration pack, ad blocker, tool nest productivity pack, web extractor for Instagram research to amplify better inputs and smarter growth, Insta Engine premium video stack, Insta Engine audio stack, VIP live training to 6-figure Instagram automation agency, 10 ways to make $100 a day with Instagram without needing to talk to clients, as well as close 7 Instagram automation deals in 5 days, 10x your Instagram lead to client conversions from 0 to 100 Instagram clients, 3-step system to land high-paying clients daily, 10K month Instagram lead selling system, 100 proven niches for Instagram pages, step-by-step training, find out 1,000+ Instagram buyers using Google Maps, which this alone is absolutely phenomenal. 5-year premium Insta Engine AI support, and all of this for just a one-time $127 by yours truly. So that's it. Your final chance to grab this. All of that, an absolute steal. I'm going to announce some winners for cash prizes, because team always holds their promises, and for sticking until the end, as promised, you get some amazing bonuses. So you're going to get tons of amazing bonuses uploaded into your accounts as well. And we're going to do some cash prize winners, which is going to be, let's see here, the list. First of all, Michael Johnson. So that's michael.johnson, etc., at gmail.com. Almost said your whole email. So Michael Johnson, you want a cash prize, send an invoice to the PayPal account. Team, can you put the PayPal account inside the chat, because they might not know how to spell it out. So please, list the prize name winners and the, what's it called, the PayPal invoice email inside the chat, so the winners know where to send the invoice to. Sarah Williams, you've won as well. And last but not least, Mr. David Martinez. So David Martinez, congratulations to you as well. So Michael Johnson, Sarah Williams, and David Martinez, you'll get a link to send a PayPal invoice to with all the details, and they'll actually let you know the cash prize you've won as well. The team will drop that in the chat. Let me type that there. Plus the amount, so they know what to do there. So I'll wait for the team once they've done that, and then we're gonna wrap up the webinar. You still have a last chance to grab it if you're on the fence, or you've been waiting things out. This is it. There's nothing more to it. The people that were smart enough to jump in, they now will be able to grow their Instagram, skyrocket it like never before. If you've been watching on the sidelines and you again continue to stay onto the sidelines, or you'll let $267 hold you back from picking up clients left, right, and center, growing multiple big accounts to statuses where people actually are happy if you follow them. You get this effect when once you have a big account and you follow someone, they actually appreciate it. They're like, oh, thank you so much for following me. So it becomes a whole different level of authority that's waiting for you with Insta Engine. But you have to grab it in order to witness it, and you have a 30-day money-back guarantee to check it out. So the cash prize winners have been announced in the chat. I have one last and final question for you, and that's for me personally. Did you enjoy today's webinar? Right, let me know. That's personal feedback for me. My name is Raheem Farhouni. I've been your host. It's been a pleasure doing this webinar. Again, all shout out and credits goes to Dr. Tool, Dr. Mead. Let me know if you enjoyed today's webinar, if you got value out of it, if you thought it was an amazing deal. Like I said, we don't like to do rags to riches webinar where we go over, oh, first we're broke, and then this, like most webinars go through a long dreaded story of rags to riches. We just show you here's what's working, here are the algorithm changes, here's what Adam Asseri, the CEO, said, here's why you need to act on this now, here's how the tool works, here's how it will work for you, and here's an insane deal that you simply cannot pass up on. And if you liked that style, then make sure you grab it, because we're about to wrap it up. So I'm gonna have a quick look at the chat here. I see Alex saying, yes, I had a great time. Appreciate it, Alex. Ken says, yes. Felix says, you were awesome. Very interesting. Appreciate you. Guys, you make me smile. And I can't wait. I'll speak to you guys again, because I'm also doing the inside training. So it's going to be fun. And it's going to be more of this absolute game-changing training, practical over-the-shoulder stuff. So I see, how soon can we start posting? Well, from today on onwards, literally today. A bot of the strength of your previous apps. Wow, that just shows, again, shout out to Dr. Mead and engineer Atul Parikh. The stuff you guys put out there are just quality upon quality. So Frank said, I came in late, but I still bought because of the strength of your previous apps. And then I think that's a testament to a lot of things, especially for the people that are on the fence. That's just the repetition, and that means with what you're going to get access to today, you're going to be in great hands. And I think I'm going to leave it at that. As they say, end on a high note. Levar says, yes, this was a great webinar. I'm always on in what you guys are selling. Appreciate you, Levar. And not to forget, guys, please, this is directly to the team. Reach out to Levar. He dropped this email in the chat. I'll copy it. And I'll make sure support, whatever question you had before the webinar that you sent and you had, you were looking for a reply on, I promise you to get one. So I'm going to pass this to the team support. So there we have it. All right. Have an amazing rest of your day. Go ahead and log in, or, take a little break, and I'll see you for the upcoming training. Keep an eye on your email, because that's where we will announce all the details. All right. See you on the inside. Bye-bye.